Welcome back. This is the regular YouTube channel. We have another Operation Weather update. This time we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for northern Geneva County in northeast Ohio, northeastern Lake County, Ashtabula County, southwestern Erie, and northwestern Crawford counties until 8 o'clock tonight at 7:09 p.m. Eastern. Doppler radar indicated Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Geneva or 9 miles of south Ashtabula, northeast of 35 miles per hour. Expect tree and power lines to be damaged. Locations include Ashtabula, Conneaut, Geneva Lake, Geneva itself, Madison, Girard, North Kingsville, Perry, Albion, Lake City, Austinburg, Kingsville, Hartsgrove, Roaming Stones, Pure Point, North Perry, Conneautville, Thompson, Cranesville, and Rock Creek. Torrential rainfall could occur in this storm and the flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicles through flooded roadways. Hazard threat radar indicated over 60 miles per hour. Or the wind gusts, that's what I meant to say. So, this is from 7:10 Eastern. So, once again, a severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for North Geneva County, northeastern Lake County, Ohio, Ashtabula, and then a southwestern Erie and northwestern Pennsylvania till 8 o'clock tonight. So, a lot of storms. There's a storm fest going on here anyway. Yeah. They said tonight scattered thunderstorms, especially early. Potential for severe thunderstorms. Low 63. Chance of rain 60%. Tomorrow thunderstorms early and then chance of showers in the afternoon. High 70. Chance of rain 70%. Yeah. Here's the exclamation point as we mentioning potential for severe thunderstorms tonight. Oh, did I told you the? Did he tell you the cities included? I don't know if they did. Yeah. So, yes, it did. So, alright, we're gonna get off. There's gonna be a storm coming. There'll be a storm coming, and I gotta. Sorry about my water. I almost set on my water bottle. Alright, we're gonna get off. Again, we got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for. A severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Asheville, southern or southwestern Erie, and northwestern Crawford counties until 8 o'clock tonight. Locations, we'll repeat these real quick. Asheville, Conneaut, Geneva on the Lake, Geneva itself, Girard, North Kingsville, Albion, Lake City, Austinburg, Kingsville, Harts Grove, Rolling Stones, Pure Point, Conneautville, Cranesville, Rock Creek, Springboro, Platy, Eastwood, and Plumbing Center, all on a severe thunderstorm warning until 8 o'clock tonight. Again, this is for Asheville, Erie, and northwestern Crawford counties. But, yeah. We'll brighten it down for a little bit, sorry. There you go. There it is. So, but let me get off. I'm going to get off right now. And thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel on YouTube. And we will talk to you guys on the next weather update. Talk to you then. If not, we'll be on next time. Talk to you later.